What if I told you there's a website where you can use all the latest AI models completely for free? Yes, you heard that right. Completely free. Hello everyone. Welcome to another AI video tech tutorial. Today, I'm talking about an amazing website called YuppyUp.ai. And this AI lets you use all the latest AI models without spending a single penny. If you're getting excited about this, smash that like button right now. So, let me show you exactly how this works. First, you just need to sign in with Google. That's it. Super simple. After signing in with Google, it will let you write a prompt and give you responses from every AI model they have. And here's the best part. When you sign up, they give you 5,000 credits absolutely free. That's incredible value right there. Just click, take me to the homepage, and you're ready to go. Once you're logged in, this is the interface you'll see. You just write a prompt here and you can choose any model from this website. Now, if I click on Choose Model, wow! Look at this! There are tons of models to use for free. They have Claude Sonnet 4, Gemini 2.5 Flash, OpenAI O1 Mini, DeepSeek R1, GPT-4 Turbo, and all the latest models you can imagine. If I click on View All and scroll down, they have every AI model you could want. They even have the newest models like Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude Sonnet 4 with thinking capabilities, and OpenAI O1 Pro. All the reasoning models are here. And wait, there's more. You can also create images with GPT Image 1, DALL-E 2, Minimax, Stable Diffusion, MidJourney V6, and Ideogram. This is absolutely incredible. Here's where things get even more interesting. Let me show you a smart way to use this platform and actually earn more credits while you're at it. Right now, you can see I have 5,000 credits to work with, and there's also a referral system where you can earn additional credits by inviting others. Let me demonstrate with a classic riddle. A plane crashes on the border of US and Canada. Where do you bury the survivors? Now this is actually a trick question, because you don't bury survivors, they're still alive. Before I send this prompt, here's a crucial tip. Make sure to toggle your chat from private to public. This simple switch will cut your credit usage in half, which means you can run twice as many experiments with the same credits. When I send this message without selecting specific models, the platform automatically chooses the best models for the task. In this case, it used OpenAI O1 Mini and DeepSeek V3, both giving me accurate responses. They correctly identified that you don't bury survivors. Here's a hidden gem that most people don't know about. After each response, you can provide feedback on the AI's performance. You can rate responses as on target, fast, insightful, or other criteria. And here's the amazing part. Every time you provide feedback, you earn additional credits. When I rated the response and provided feedback, I immediately received 328 additional credits, boosting my total from 5,000 to over 5,300. This feedback system is essentially a way to use the platform for free indefinitely. Let me show you how to test multiple models at once with a more complex question. I'll ask, what color is a mirror? This is actually a fascinating question because mirrors don't have a color. They reflect all colors. For this test, I'll manually select multiple models: OpenAI O1 Mini, Claude Opus 4, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and Qwen 32B. Initially, this would cost 550 credits, but remember that public chat trick? When I switch to public, it drops to just 275 credits. The results are fascinating. OpenAI O1 Mini provided a quick, insightful answer in just 2 seconds. Claude Opus 4 also delivered a comprehensive response, while Gemini 2.5 Pro gave a detailed but lengthy explanation. After rating my preferred response and providing feedback, I earned back 290 credits, making the effective cost only 250 credits. Now let's explore the image generation features. I'll enable image generation and select 4 different models: GPT Image 1, MidJourney V6, DALL-E 2 HD, and Ideogram V3. For my prompt, I'll request A camel wearing a winter jacket, people surfing on sand dunes made of ice, with text saying Desert Winter Adventure. The platform processes this across multiple image models simultaneously. Interestingly, instead of MidJourney v6, it used Flux Context Dev, which is also excellent. The results varied significantly between models. GPT Image 1 produced the most accurate image with camels in jackets and people surfing on icy dunes. DALL-E 2 HD didn't include the text and had less accurate details. Ideogram v3 included the text correctly but missed some visual elements. Flux Context Dev provided good quality but didn't match the prompt exactly. Only GPT Image 1 and Ideogram v3 successfully incorporated the text into the image, showing how different models excel at different aspects of image generation. After selecting my preferred result and providing feedback, I earned back 234 credits from the 300 I spent, making image generation incredibly affordable. What makes this platform truly remarkable is its sustainable credit system. You start with 5,000 free credits, but through the feedback system, referrals and smart usage like using public chats, you can maintain and even grow your credit balance while regularly using premium AI models. The platform encourages quality interactions by rewarding thoughtful feedback, which helps them improve their service while giving users more free access to cutting-edge AI technology. So that's it, guys. This is exactly what I wanted to show you, how you can access all the latest AI models and reasoning capabilities, plus create unlimited images, all for free with YuppyUp.ai. You get 5,000 free credits to start, and with the feedback system, you can keep earning more. Which model did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. I always bring you the latest AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching.